Cannot pretend why I never like your new boyfriend.